Hope you're having a good day. I got most of the yard picked up. I have a little bit left to do there, but I did get an alert on my phone saying that we're under a tornado watch until 11 p.m. tonight. So I've been keeping an eye on the sky. It doesn't look too bad right now, but I'm sure if the sirens went off, it will be getting something. Do that again. That will help it from not. Sirens just went off. This is the calm before the storm. You're slouching. Need to sit up a little straighter. That's better. There. That's good. No slouching. Very good.